This 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xE is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Jeep is powered by four-wheel drive, automatic transmission, intercooled turbo gas electric i4 2.0 122 engine, and has 19,063 miles. Explore the wild with a used 2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xE. Power meets efficiency. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.